The strength, the belief that we could win, we won. I have a fantastic squad, fantastic experienced players, fantastic young players. We have a good mixing.
Ebraso sena no pe sim konwade de dwumadi atuni di se full time. Ebeda wo Sompa 93.1 FM. Esen live on Sompa TV. Saso ena wokọ ye social media platforms na. Ni nyina no dwumadi ne live a. Woni entena enko se premo ebeto 12 noon. En ye be sorry enkonwa so se de dan de no enne package ni emu odemu ohwam. Ye be kwa mo no ne na ye de amono ne nsem e de aba. Enu achi na fisem beba. Enkoma wodo be koso dwumadi so enu achi no ye be sem abedwafo kwanya on be guram na nsem ahodo edaba masoro amono ne ne afisem nyina no omawuraguram na perfect analysis ye de abraw e so no so wadwenkyire bia obetimi e de afa ye page no so on Facebook Sompa 93.1 like na share wadwenkyire bia no de to a ye be kenkan de ma say ye wai die o thought o view and o comment nyina no ye be je e de atum shanon sa tapoku betene nka odwumadi so Jeffrey Asare the apostle betene nka saso and Michael Akomia the sports messiah obetene nka midin Edilu Tech in production no led by Michael Asare Bodu saso na Ricardo Varas and your Nas Kramo and a Prince Ebobomi omne etadwumadi na chi den oko MCR Jawo Nana Jao eho saso na Busi the birthday man eso ho and Kelvin Momrancha do akanya ne bo adwumadi no ame dia brosha no so se dwuma ko bi ada Roma ne dura no pase ya ombo ye chi dom ame yetimi de adwumadi be da o per drink papa no ma eye mizo fruit drink ni nyina no se ayare for nom apem for nom saso na drink bi a uko program bi ase a ya 7 was se mizo fruit drink no if se fruit out do afru mo ba no ama flavors ne eje jawo mango de ho jawo pineapple de ho guava and fruit out do na ubenya bi ne ka mizo fruit drinks a se uko miami e ton drinks bi a eno ana nkrofo ton nya mfaso bebre na me be tro bia ya benya bi ato ena se o fresh so ba bia obia no ye be bro bi am watimi aton eno ye mizo fruit drink eno miza 5G na miza 5G no wo yo bia wa ye kese boni wani nye kese na wa ye no ho obese srade ne nane wo ye adwuma kakra bia no bobre wo nante no wani ha wo to na wo herahram emfifre sa no wabra wani enye ho wo nya miza 5G ni bia ebebo apa se gwara na ewom eboa jewo grapes ni eye na ye wo eye ginseng na green tea ni de my goodness eboa sisie ni memma na adwuma dene ema no nyina koe edma mo test no so ye kama miza 5G nya bi nanom na bobo no man kwema number ni 0246 270221 0246 270221 Ofrebejo so the sciatica expert at 21st clinic the 21st clinic aye bia ya de pa friend sciatica de say one fan ko a ene aye say ekokra na beba aye say ekofiko eso gina kwanti mfi ni nyina no say ukwa ya de na so na kokom na ekoto ase wona ntikakra na ho ewo so wona ntene wanya bibi mu anso a ukwa enko ni nyina no say odi wani be kirem ewo 21st clinic na sciatica yade no yetu ase ede amanu achi no yade bia fruit tiri sukosu na ase ombetime tu ase ede amefisi omo eye nurses ne doctors akukudama wa bin papa ede bibiduro sa yade no ehe na hye ye omojanum a omo lab technicians ombe wura mojanum adoso do somba be yade no ewo enu achi omo scan machines a on be scan ni padua no aboam wanya afa hu de no 21st clinic enu ntimi du wadansa kan for de amase for any tom so yade bia no no more than 15 branches ewo Ghana ha udu kuma se omo atwa overseas afa radio nchewa saso ena opiem ewo eye kobuase a omo cancel quarters co junction wa ena opiem akra omo edwom domi market wo ena ebi osunwane enkranza tachiman Cape Coast credit nyina ne ebi eho na from 0540 311311 0540 311311 eno ede dawo na grade must be enterprise unim so wisu a Chinese tracker for any chiro na kwaje spare pass ni bi enko ba bia omo eton Chinese tracks pass ni nya no omo kotu free a grade must be ho no osem kan cho say u Chinese track no eye sino track eye Shackman anase eye ho ni nyina no open pass a opa won sabeka bi na owo a vipa or headlight and a Shackman H3000 headlight and a tailless no nina obi or Shackman F3000 headlight or Fortes or Hopson wheelboat ni nyina benya bi and all engine housing how brake drum springs and a suppressor bar ni nyina no call great must be wa benya bi and what was it brake band brake pot back brake pot front oil bath ubenya bu na kuma sa do ani chemu o eswa mazina swami makro odi odu makro for any funny road kwan so one kwasi pon SHS na die ntwam na ne branch ni bi wo esunwane udu sunya mazin mfimfi ho eho na abehunu na brekum so mazin ewa brekum farmon friend number 0550630661 and esunwan form for 0257 491211 kuma se farmon friend number 0242633091 and 0206 404088 friend a great must be call na eba China tracks no and Chinese tracks omo pass no kwana kwaji bi na bibia eso enye kama emfa emma na me ka chose ye penipa mienu pe e de omo akwa brochire ye penipa mienu mama mienu pe ene ye de mo kwa brochire so pa brochire akwa fa number isisi ai wadwuma wo kwa ba bia beda we permit ne no ma nyina aye crowd number ne 0241272990 0241272990 fra ye de mo kwa brochire UK ye de mo kwa adwuma ama bia ye kama e brand nie amono nsembre no enie ye be breaking it down na ya touching it down na ya knocking it down ne nya da jejeja mu yompo e wo Sompa 93.1 FM live on Sompa TV uko Facebook no ma pina ba videos out over pictures out over Monfa Novak Djokovic Monfa one na punch no ntoso mame e so ramo tennis we a superstar na no ada pemo US opener ono enetimi je esini na so na nanu ano waje na so kopemo ni kura ya friend Serbia omo eman welcome na esini kura na enu na so far o fie so dwodwo no kakra na when you a punch bebe to bebe a punch bebe pube twana punch no oso wipe out there fita na podwe se no we ena na pampa mu no masa onya tufufo so a eye kama papa enu ye Novak Djokovic the fina so eba ye jam jam na memura mo boxing mu kakra owura ma the big bang Chinese heavyweight boxer Jeffrey Zlai Zhang na no Saturday and watch the British boxer a brand even Jojois etimi bon pokekra na say around 3-1 and knocking on Emma Branton Taiwan sorry and toss BM and now Romo Roba British boxer Jeffrey Derek Chisora Eddie Nsembia Tuja na Nsema Derek Chisora Eddie Tuja no Efa Jojois no yente kakra.
God on his truth, I don't think Joe trained for this guy. He came in overweight. He's not double jabbing going forward.
Already friend Derek Chisora, one a British boxer, was so share and Tokwana no toja, ama a branta big band, Zlai Zhang, Etimiasia J, a WBO title now the buy no Sadi Kono, was so Joe Joycer, one year train one prepare, one just one prepare crowd, 124 a Zlai Zhang. If it's a ultra first match, no, what the kill both from, and round 6 and a reference stop here, a match as a Jumadian near trust when you know na rematch aba na wantime nkosua de e no Derek Chisora and the sansam to Jamin copy e wa bibremu akina CAF Executive Committee no ebetima kwasetena china soro kwada china Senegal and a host to 2027 AFCON 2025 January host china CAF Executive Committee no ebetena so no hyehyeye nie omosi emfanto anim china CAF escon tenasia countries omo bid abetum say 2025 2027 pe AFCON hosting right no pe ma obia 10 minutes na wabegina ni mo na wa present to fall den tell se to abadema omu wiansa no mama kwanya ama bato na tima koso na the is officially Algeria atimi withdraw from say omu na yesan kombe bede for 2025 and 2027 AFCON hosting right no omu withdraw. I said about omu candidate he said omu ji edefrim no edefro ba ye jam dama ye romo Everton result on the pitch na omu kit manufacturers are Jeffrey Omo Hummel for eno omaye a special limited edition shirt omo diaba the omo diaba shirt na fe papa say ne ya uko Everton store abenya bi ato enwechi online ubetuma nya bi ato na shirt in the motive behind enyina no say di a resistka at the Abwa Everton Football Club enwechi no kwa Everton a community works a ekoso no say pesika esante Abwa entina pema manufacture agency and it's Everton ye from Hummels no and actimi a manufacture sa a special edition of sachet way aso ediaba and no ede dawa ye jamo aso ma mi kwakopiem na ma ye adwuma ma owe Diogo Lugano he akromfon adewia moma me sa video no opiem na no oda na Sao Paulo Brazil omuji Brazil cup no mani je kama na opiem owe Diogo Lugano Branchen of Uruguay at the age of 42 Sakai Edima Sao Paulo maybe a drum former captain no na no culture Emma game to me toja Abana Sao Paulo Flamingo Ashomo Abana whole gay Sao Paulo Flamingo Bossa and opam the story Ebrewono na Omuji crew and no na any journey more na Omuji money no and a fan back Nyadajina bra Facebook na a fan choir or fast yi owura friend Diago Lugano ne phone every bottom nanso Fofia Antoine Tade agona bamo omutimi eche no na omuche no and na owura friend Lugano je ne phone and omu sign de no ema a police for and no e fan no de to no we de wantuma anyamo aniti twa asa mo ma me kwani pan doors wo owura de akromfo ne o ketia omo preka ho a de omu je na bia ne twa na wo jia de na fini bottom watabiri ne setabrinwa nanso ya che no eno ede ba ye de mama eno achi mame nwura player ba kwa fan Edison Cavani obekaya obod ma PSG Napoli oba Manchester United akwani nam La Liga no eno pem Boca Juniors na Cavani sinakai na omo semi final game po Copa Libertadores no na eno fi training ba no eno share Boca Juniors fans no eno no mnya interactions kakra esensan Jesus outdoor aso adima homo mama mi Mo Salah Liverpool dance no mumra on Facebook na mo be Mo Salah ne mama no Mo Salah enkwada yi fe mo samu papa enkwada na ni je sika ofi enkwada nsori husu anadwo na no mekoye hwe Mo Salah baba no no papa e de omu joma ni di agro kakra no ede pede mama na yenko Itiad fana owura mu ewo Al-Nassr omu supporters no anka okwakọ create confusion oko provoke omo ni nyina no sawtwa na I said tafra koton kukom na so omo pete no na omo dese no enu ye Itiad the fana okowura Al-Nassr omo supporters mu ankokọ adwene no eno omo pepia no ye na omo yi epie na me ko Ronaldo Nazário de Lima Brazilian Ronaldo abrofo pe empratria dodo akomi amontwan mu wade tam nso ye ni nyina no se Ronaldo Nazário de Lima wani ababa wa Jefferson Selena Locks na wani Selena Locks atwempnacha nyame antom enwa wo Ibiza Spain watimi aware no ama be kama emada aware base ya ehwehwani mu sirienie enu ye Selena wa woso osontom toro na che okudu baba na wafa che na se omatwempnacha afena broi puma kwemu ama wadene tmotodwa ewo Ibiza na opiama Real Madrid omu chief scout or Brazilian your friend Juni Calafat onu so etimi ko wedding ase ekwo Gracie occasion no am be ye fine and no edepa ye jam dem and ye Full Jones waba Papa Carpenter na Full Jones as ne football career no play on the pitch and upon a way say was set another Jenny say Ninan so kopema say was try me play come on Jenny player was set a school be say a school pay was school a PFA business school and you Professional Footballers Association on business school no and work on kwakosi there now game no akonya nim jebebre and watching also pushy as an alliances and in the budgets no nensa ebetmaka and no Ramo Manchester United academy no ma owura Famfo Jones asiamba baka one United academy no training now for the coaching license or personal kwai and what you know say wo global football sport directorship course and all year global football sport directorship course and a Famfo Jones no assign at the coaching license aside their peso and no edeba na where the huro no Chelsea for me patro so far enter the last 3 games sa place way any Chelsea abo goes obia etimiashe Chelsea the last 3 games Chelsea and Shebi the last 3 games Edima Lukaku opiama washa 3 goals the last 3 games Edima Joao Felix washa 3 goals the last 3 games Edima Aubameyang washa 2 goals name Chelsea and she go and no edge dawa ya de emam no urama won friend indeed or no a play by Bodman Leicester City the contract baba na be June na dem to Barcelona or money dawa or so monitor sa brand no the contract no para we say kukro or mo betabri setabri nwa na be urama na be boduma e dem Barcelona or mo bobo ekuno na eno achi no urama or panyeven whole game Mendes were supergem was a brand friend Joao Cancelo one Joao Felix or mumieno say oh pede Barcelona long term panawe ya was send be easy edema Barcelona was say let come the plan no Barcelona ye found Joao Felix ye bisa Saturday was on let come the fulcrum person be back in test sound be free so call on be channel I'm not Barcelona as compared to Joao Cancelo no edeba ye de emam na no pay e odwumade no so now compare Barcelona so mu goal for Pedri and some game against Athletic Bilbao obenya some minutes at me ball or we some minutes na nessa and compare so ready for the El Clasico if the El Clasico no mfifi ho omunya Frank de Jong omunya Ike Gundogan na omunya Pedri na Gavi Mutata ho na nim ho no Lewandowski ni Felix mo eso pia kwa eno be Real Madrid for waduma eno etefro eba ya de emam na Barcelona on say akodana was one the Omoma Black Stars Nico Williams or Boma Spain or red medical in a story Abrel so Pima Barcelona air tracking on the contract and Chabana here them say already contact the kind akoso Basa say Oma Monitana chep or Nico Williams no dinaba no be boduma kama edi ama womo and no edi bana Nico Martinez and ne enumere Pima La Liga game total Barcelona airport against Real Mallorca ewo Estadi Mallorca no ya de say Nico Martinez between and first start never possible lineup or more be BNC or more be chance eti ama Barcelona no na say a game bia ano be de makandire test again ebetam ye benya Cancelo nenya Alejandro Balde na 5 no yenya Christensen nenya Nico Martinez or Romeo ebejina 6 wo nenya Ike Gundogan na yenya Rafinha yenya Lewandowski Joao Felix omo enbe chance dem Barcelona na Diametre sa kodana ye fan Lamine Yamal no 16-year-old winger no on Diametre se lineup no changes betma by 10 minutes nyina nso panyina van Javi pesa o ma kodana starting spot Barcelona team no Debana Javier Tebas on La Liga president or din some pina tuja de odia tuja na no pay anopa me de killing Mbappe dia no at the breo na dem de ma na anopai our full time so no was yan country was Barcelona munisika so srade nam ne gagai any preman sam na mudi and na ye pewe china ye pewe what is a Barcelona for some person plana or Bodman Atletico Paranense Brazil ye friend Victor Roque no on pesa win digital transfer bia on kofane dineba o se pasa no problem se mo dineba ba on La Liga president ne de o ka cham se se mu jabi mabiko moto bi dasa mo boa Victor Roque mo ntimi fa ne maneda no edetawa ye de emam outmade no so na yenwra mo Mikel Arteta and then press conference no about 3:30 ebetimi atodam against Brentford or EFL Carabao Cup third round on Senna Shasia na enyame pa Arsenal bebo ne against Brentford we press conference na Arsenal near brain so ma Chelsea ball person kofa Brentford Brenton Ivan Toney any badam to Arsenal double bibia interest na so far player 27-year-old Brenton Ivan Toney opiama team e friend of Brentford so mo value £60 million Arsenal for so mo nyane ba babua no deba na Paul Mason akan sembia for Chelsea was say send yam hyehyene Chelsea adaya was on kra na yam ahye no yam ahye me adaya me ba if you look at Chelsea's fixture you worry for them. The next 10 games are so vital for their season that you can't catch your breath. Now yeah Chelsea next 10 games said fixtures at Chelsea 2nd October bo Fulham away bo Burnley away no more bo Arsenal home no more bo Brentford so home no aba bo team Tottenham Man City Newcastle from Arsenal Brentford Tottenham Man City Newcastle Brighton Man United jadam Chelsea no dawa ya de amamo dwumade no so ya gusu etim konwa so na mame nwuram na menya adwuma ama no nyina no so wuramu Manchester United team no ne nyina no say opanyina ya fe no Eric Ten Hag on say so far just say owurafa Jadon Sancho akopa na chaw enya sa padia ba first team facilities na wabane no you know edini afri home eno na akowuramu a say opani dining hall nyina no there's omo ase omane enwuramo Jadon Sancho no ko duru a ya to ade num ede agya no eno ede down na anwumre okopiem onsem ano pam de toanim ese PFA for no Professional Footballers Association omo Robinson person bono solve sa case no between Eric Ten Hag and Jadon Sancho eno achi no wurama Manchester United teammate ni bi Marcus Rashford Harry Maguire and Luke Shaw ne omo maka apanacho ese ebeya wonya na omepa chaw emma over Eric Ten Hag after Arsenal show 3-1 on the social media post to Eric Ten Hag interview na kofa some way at the abaye no at the dawa ye di emamom now pema and Messi Mount and Harry Maguire betimi ashase at Manchester United head of game and omo against Crystal Palace Carabao Cup na young pema America pema Manchester United fans omo akwa ye flyer just omo banner enam wiem upiem Glazers out banner no and just upiem Tempe Bay Bucanisa Stadium and say me patrol this stadium no just stadium ne football team America your penina your friend Glazers your muda me patrol Prince Monfan to sumame na nkrofon stadium said upiem Tempe Bay Bucanisa Stadium and stadium ne so de banner and banner enam wiem match Glazers out na eno so nam wiem no ni nyina na ade a etimi ebaya me de wonsem aso ate ebremo dwumadie no so na ukopema AS Roma aso atima homfelu third jersey of the season third jersey of the season eno enie na se modern star eternal love modern star eternal love eno ede dawa ya de amam dwumadie no so na Roma Juventus se abanta goalkeeper ya fan Chechny person standing contract no na onya poor performance against Sassuolo na so enya de say bema 8 Juve bam abu ni nyina no so urama no ma nyina dedam kama eso ade ema wo mo ni nyina no so urawurama ya ade say boy no person end in career to win enu ntina brand fan Chechny person eman contract extend salary no budget lesser esin say de oje enu ede fro eba ya de emamu Ramo Germany yam fanto anim ese David Poka cha say na ebo 645 and the Proben Monster and Bayern Munich ebo Proben Stadium na opema Proben Monster team no for nya first time on Bayern Munich na be chanie omni Bayern Munich na shapen omu she Bayern Munich ɛhyɛ ɔmo ɛyɛ 4-1 saa goals no Mario Götze, Thomas Muller, David Alaba ɛne Claudio Pizarro ɛna ɛhyɛ saa 4 goals no na Bayern Munich so far on sɛ David Poka ɔmo agye 20 times na the last 3 seasons ɔmo ntimi anyi bi ɛno ɛde aba yɛde ma na Luis Enrique ɔno so ne family no na day off ɛma Manuel Ugarte ɛkɔpia mu ɛwɔ Portugal ɛkɔ support Sporting Lisbon ma no pɛ mi de brɛ owura fan Luis Enrique PS ɔmo boss no ɔno so ne family ɛtɔ Paris kakra ɛkɔkɔ ɛgyegye ɔmo ania ɛno ɛde aba na Presnel Kimpembe played by PSG deɛ mete no ɛnɛ anɔpa ɛnyina ne sɛ ɔbɛba back abɛbɔ adwuma ɔbɛba mid-November to early December ɛna ɔbɛba abɛbɔ adwuma ɛso ɛde ama team a yɛfɛ no PSG ɛno ɛde fro ɛba yɛde ɛma ɛna anɔpa ɛso ɛwɔ dwumadie no so hayɛ Sompa 93.1 FM live on Sompa TV ɛda yɛn ho yɛba yɛde de aka nyina ɛbɛtoa so ɛdam na mmom mepatwa ɛbɛde Manchester United ɔmo fans no bana no yɛde bɛba abɛkyerɛ mu.
Energy drink where if you tire if you get a 5G, it will help you. Miso mango drink, you get very energy. You get vitamin A, vitamin C, the B6. If you skin problem, it will help you. It will help your immune system too. No worry, my brother. I know say you tire. You there, don't worry. Just get a 5G. It there everywhere, every international shop. You go get a 5G where you go free drink. If you chill where you take camera, you get a ginseng. It go to help you. If you go long journey where you won't no problem, make you take the 5G where go help you. It go power you, my brother. Make you no worry, just relax. Then they there, then sit, then relax, then chill, then relax, then chin, then relax, and then gas, padam.
5.
The eagerly anticipated Pick One game has arrived with a bang. Choose your favorite number from 1 to 36. Stake and get ready for the excitement as we unveil the lucky number. Prepare yourself to unleash even more moolah by staking from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 cedis and win 26 times your stake on the amazing Pick One game. Play by dialing *946# on all networks. You can also play via our website or download the Game Park app on www.gameparkgames.com. Watch our live draws on Adom TV at 9 a.m., 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. daily. Game Park, more moolah, more power. This game is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18 years. Play responsibly.
Esikafo krom what day ya na nsia didi hu nkomo and wakofa abrofo free abrochira ba besin in terms of perfect ano akwa ma se abrohafo 52 estate construction and ese dan kama sa no e ka no so nya hu bia o 52 estate construction firms nko na esi wo dan se because o ka champa tie company ni din and e friend 52 estate construction. Oh, I see. What on Sassi and your diamonds in home, and that was see a dance or tongue or some managing properties. Nature said, Upa Dayato, Upa Sasiato, and as a Upa Mukubi, I'm in modern houses. I'm when you be at no, now unim, who fear crowd was see a Timono. Sir, Nebrachum, now we judge the mark 52 estate construction for. That is a design in your Fabian. No, yes, I won't put down in your group, but so Bessia down more than one sure one casa would do fear. Wow, not one more 52 estate construction. I will kiss him, Gimpa. Achimata Road, 0556 72 33 38, and the Kumasenso, page 4 and 12 Road, over 0531 52 57 97. Social media now at 52 Estates.
Suma Onyamija no beso. Omayini yaw edubuachi. Onyame akoa. Yeah, we pray. What it to me ashene. We are food for thought. Adishie nyina. Any ankwankwa bi how done it. Say September Liberty Conference. Epepaso. Nepepaso Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries. Kumasi at Harper Road. Asamu ayakasa ho. Ye free asuma for se. Etia di ono mo chichemu mienu. Akopem yensa. Acts chapter 28 verse 2 to 3. Shane son. Say where ye burning of arrows. Part 2. Anopano sia pepepepe. Kopem bra ho kunkun bejaye. Eye dame 30th September. Kumasi atum Harper Road. Ajum to fo edi jum to. Beje jumedie ya papa. Minister Sete Champo. Yama mi Mabel Ochre. Aye kwa. Any resident worshipper. Minister Kwame Jedu. Wabet sojom ajijumedie ya papa and trafi so how be daus amanie be daus or dan be daus wa awiele onyame di to me amani boy o mine yaw edubuache na sada no pronsam so na obenya pa esane say onyankopon wa Abraham hu na chiri not so ni di tete kwafra bo kwadu mam kankane a odan sebo wo peyi aju nyame ma edi ahofedi ebekoye fie bra Liberty Conference, September edition. Oh, glory, hallelujah.
Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
The first days of Beat the Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Beat the Odds this season and you can walk away with a grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game. The eagerly anticipated Pick One game has arrived with a bang. Choose your favorite number from 1 to 36. Stake and get ready for the excitement as we unveil the lucky number. Prepare yourself to unleash even more moolah by staking from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 cedis and win 26 times your stake on the amazing Pick One game. Play by dialing *946# on all networks. You can also play via our website or download the Game Park app on www.gameparkgames.com. Watch our live draws on Adom TV at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 6 p.m. daily. Game Park, more moolah, more power. This game is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18 years. Play responsibly.
Esikafo krom what dey ya na nsia didi hu nkomui and wakofa abrofo free abrochira ba be sin in terms of fefefe ano akwa ma se abrohafo 52 estate construction and ese dan kama sa ano e ka no so.
Right, yes, I'm Wakwaba the Sompa 93.1 FM live on Sompa TV. I think we say premo beto full time and at yede ebrel no. Na yanko birthday special and now na odi on birthday. You feel jumadi so na ya wish one happy birthday no. Yemfa entwa so ansana akomia the sports messiah aje the tactical board e de ewuru ansama odo mu ene. Na mom ene udu awuda yensa asemfri Esther Nimakon ene yemano happy birthday na Esther Nimakon ewo from Sekaf Edra fire station eho ena na de ade Esther Nimakon mother of Asante Aguna Krofonso catch obi say yemfa dwumadie so na yema happy birthday na bibia eso enkoyi emfa emma eno ye Esther Nimakon no Irene so yema happy birthday na say no lie and say yemfa dwumadie so ma happy birthday Radin Shaw na bibia so enye kama emfa emma enye Joseph Manu Joe happy birthday Radin Shaw pa said wa ma you two no also ju two na ne birthday ne kama emfa emma sa so na yenko yanim yewo mami owusu mami am happy birthday Radin Shaw pa na bibia so enye kama wa brabom eso emfa emma ti mami happy birthday na yenko moro dramani Moro yama happy birthday. We are next on Navrongo Health Center. Inspector Ishak on Navrongo Police Station. And I say my happy birthday. And tomorrow, once again happy birthday. And Mrs. Joyce Watima. The dwana frau mame Boatima ukunu NSM happy birthday nti Mrs. Joyce happy birthday Radin Shaw no onye okese no mo ni swade hunu emram Reverend David Opoku Echampon Reverend yama happy birthday Radin Shaw na adwuma wo dia asi wani so adwuma wafa wo ye no radima wo yekodro hom na bibianye kama eso ewo abrabo ni wiasim ya Rita Kwapon Rita happy birthday Nyankopon Shaw na onye wakuma so ade ma na ne enye dasonko e wa brabom te Rita happy birthday enyo Vida ema happy birthday Radin Shapa na normal enkoye ema wakuma so ade ne nhise bia no enye amen e wo Eradi dimu ma na o Vivian Gambidi Auntie V happy birthday and o birthday no enkwose de wa ho fe no wa ho fama esitie Radin shop na bibia enye kamama Abiba Sharif Abiba one kasa o maame e fe no nanahema esema happy birthday nyagobon shaw na nyini be panyimpa na bo abrabo panti Abiba happy birthday na jewo Alonso so dina woda ne yama happy birthday Alonso Radin shaw na bibia so enye kama emfa ema na ewo Daisa Nana hima say yama happy birthday Radin Shapa na yes award na Radin ma bebre enka ho enkosi se obenyine abepanyi pa Emmanuel Akwa en yama happy birthday ma Radin Shapa na bibia enye kama emfama na bibia so enkoye Ernest Jan edin birthday Ernest happy birthday Radin Shapa na onyo kese enkoyi se obe kese once again happy birthday yamfa birthday special ni sia na yankoya ni makomia response Messiah aye crowd to ewa ha Messiah bokode e nyame adom ahwe ni experience Luther
nyame ase so to me nkedi dem
edam soko
correct
edam se the teacher ni agini pay no
na wo fa dey there wo fa popo the teacher ba ma me wo she Mr. Kusimanu
okay
oye adwuma wo UMB Techimai
okay
Kusimanu o sister oba pa ekia yeboa say oma happy birthday oni abusuafo ni nyina omo Techimai masare bodu mu nyina tarim omo nyina say a happy birthday to Mr. Kusi. Have a nice day na nyame insha no nyo kese
mame ma be sima dubako
yes Luther and then you come over can you rem some few games be na me dey me born tell
that's it
yeah sure say the free Gabriel Jesus aso ye after the game against Tottenham Hotspur Gabriel Jesus e press ye nya chance bi no nya ball no obi anim say ball no go no play ball na ba no so na Arsenal legends make a concern about the numbers you kuta when it comes to goal scoring. There has been discussion among various Arsenal fans to say he's not the man who bet me lead you to the league title.
Sir,
because the numbers surrounding the goal scoring no fem. No claiming I'm say in a league season alone see a ball league and Kasankwan Gabriel Jesus and share more than 15 goals. League in his career.
Okay.
So they might have a legitimate point when it comes to say on schedule when it comes to leagues or G Liga obetimia push you. But the last decade and I said 10 years away 10 seasons away I have Premier League only 2 teams when I Premier League almost strikers I go king.
Sir.
Yes. Manchester United 2012-2013 Robin van Persie 26 goals. Ellen Holland from Manchester City 2022-2023 and also 36 goals. In between that period 13-14 Manchester City edge league ni Luis Suarez na dey go king.
Then no Liverpool
31 goals. Yababa 14-15 Chelsea na Belgian league no. Chelsea G League no na Sergio Kun Aguero of Manchester City na G go king 26 goals.
Okay.
15-16 Leicester City G League ni dia city na so na Harry Kane and e go king 25 goals. 16-17 Chelsea is also G League BM dia city na so no Harry Kane and a G go king 29 goals.
Okay.
17-18 Manchester City born no more the league actually na Mohamed Salah mwatwe muti energy the go king 18-19 yebeto aso Jamie Vardy yeba benya Mo Salah Sadio Mane Obama Yang omu nyina akwampo saso G League eje go king to aso 22 goals. So within that frame of time no it difficult to have your team say or G League then was a striker and a top scorer. So around Gabriel Jesus you might have a point that on share a lot. But say Unya Dikosim say he's the reason why Arsenal might not win the league, and I also shake more goals mass na G League now. To say already go king as an Arsenal G League now, it is not factually true among many teams. It's a shared responsibility. Team be G League biano, it is a shared responsibility.
Obia din hu remu
bi. Leicester City G League no, enye Jamie Vardy nkwa na share goals ni nyina wo. Leicester City G League no. Riyad Mahrez mo mu goals kakra. Manchester City G League Iko Gundogan mo ne Bernardo Silva mo ne Grealish mu nyina de mo hu jimbi na obi ehye bi na City akwa G the league. The case for Gabriel Jesus in terms of goal scoring, he is not a particular type of striker you want. We expect so bit mama that goals now we here in the season so be 20 goals. Na no mo nyina sorry na mo se da bi. And Arsenal for mo mani mbre na mo ko fa Ivan Toney. Ivan Toney ya ma ne ban ya otifie o wonya mai Brentford wa sha say ye training kakra. But Ivan Toney na nkasa no fit into what Arsenal wants to do, because if you are looking at Gabriel Jesus numbers now they can there, it means you are looking for a striker who is a fox in the box. Open striker obetimi abo as a lone number 9, obetimi a hold their play and invite others into the game, the strength enough to be your man in the penalty box. Say first row, say for obetimi. Say okay, so no dia can this particular striker no what they need to do omo ye season deciders. Edema these particular teams are person on your April league na or hobby na. One na season deciders Luther. See you share these particular teams are omobo in the EPLE. Na over here this particular chart that you screen you see. You share the kakre bi Luther. Uko PMA in the league, Omomuji league, Manchester City and Liverpool. Maybe they are the standard. Now, if they are the standard, if you are buying any striker to come in Biana, obe making sure say at least or you closer to this place. Say that Gabriel Jesus met my complimenting no. Nedi goes naba because Gabriel Jesus met my as a right winger, or met my as a left winger. So if you have Bukayo Saka, now almost 15 goals. Now the Gabriel Jesus crack left wing ho, na Gabriel Martinelli ni ho, no also ma 15 goals. Now Ivan Toney no also ma 20 goals. I can nyina boma, ubetime nya over 50 goals, which will push you for the league title, not one player.
Okay.
That is Ivan Toney fit in the right system as a penalty or fox in the box. There are various statistics here. The team made Darwin Nunes by an efficiency because Darwin Nunes has 9 goals for Liverpool without a single penalty.
Okay.
And this season he has been the key to and on the striker Mokoto on the buy say. On me complimenting Mohamed Salah goals now where they Oseno. No more pushy, no more money Kobe. Even looking at the Opta performance index here. You can't Opta performance index you way season in now no matter the statistics and numbers in the player and the performance in the net say.
Okay.
You're ranking among more honey over 100 now. One and was so. Darwin Nunes scored 9 goals for Liverpool last season, but he was the best among the attackers.
Sir.
Yes. 86 over 100. Haaland 81 over 100. Mohamed Salah 72 over 100. Ivan Toney 64 over 100.
Okay.
Gabriel Jesus 77 over 100. It is key to this. Omu goes the ombeshe, but a baby a me huni pants omu goes no mo free infa. So Ivan Toney Dinya or share 14 non-penalty goals. That means emu 3 penalties.
Okay.
But out of the 20 goals no share in the season no, emu 17 penalty box in him. Fox in the box.
Tinese born nya wura within the diagro be show.
Gabriel Jesus share 11 goals. Emu 11 na inside. He's also a fox in the box, but in terms of numbers and the strength that Ivan Toney gives you, no Bruno so how many numbers? And Obama Brentford, Obama Arsenal will create a lot of chances. Eti otwasudi na the bar. The conversion rate agent say striker ni jina penalty box na so shego na so obo shot na conversion rate ne te say. Okay. Gabriel Jesus jina 19.3, Ivan Toney jina 25.64, Mo Salah jina 19.59, Ellen Haaland jina 33.64. Darwin Nunez na 12.68. So only Ellen Haaland has a better
conversion rate
than Ivan Toney. He will complement the team solidly. And he's not only a striker, he also creates chances for you. 27 chances created for Brentford. Brentford, you found 2 teams so team possession a lot. Emponier.
Tisonya omo bi say Odegaard mo be ya dia man dia Saka mbe pia.
Omba ya dwuma dia man straight cra. And this is a striker. Obesama area draws ability. He stands at 48.02%. Darwin Nunez stands at 41.38. Ellen Haaland stands at 50. Then Gabriel Jesus stands at 30. The ball ni ko wiemu ayem pem no. Or hobby. So Ivan Toney will give you, and are they important about any modern day strikers? Ground duels, how you press your opponent. You shall see in the first phase. Oh, pressing at the ball now, said there. Ivan Toney is the best among these strikers. Ground duel success rate is 44.71 compared to Gabriel Jesus 43.6. No, no, crime as na wins or pressing be no. Edge ball no. Salah age na 36.55. Ellen Haaland na 32.48. Then Darwin Nunez na 36.72. That means he's a player that could press a lot for you and can intercept so well in terms of first phase build-ups of opponents.
Chelsea and Yabre Arsenal say almost double my interest no. Pen star now watch it between Arsenal and Chelsea dey never boa no.
Ivan Toney ankasa de ka me di 2 million say kokko Arsenal a kan you betima to di India man.
Okay.
Of course that it's an already built team, no pressure. They will create chances because Odegaard money those players in our Chelsea are now building up with a solid foundation. Ivan Toney needs where they will feed him, not necessarily where he's going to start all over again. Maybe I'll buy near Pretu Mano, what they call Juventus special Lecce, and Timo Fanche Trim said Juventus special Lecce. Anytime goal scorer by Vlahovic in this particular encounter of Federico Chiesa, Lecce will push and make sure somebody. Barcelona is going to win against Mallorca. Anytime goal scorer Robert Lewandowski, Joao Felix in this particular game, Ubetimiako Ediama Air Barcelona. Manchester United against Crystal Palace, both teams to score. Manchester United double chance and over 1.5 in this particular game. Manchester United double chance and over 1.5 or both
double chance well we near
Olusu and over 1.5 more than 1 goal. Okay. Then anytime goal scorer for Manchester United, Bruno Fernandes or Anthony Martial in this particular game. Anytime goal scorer for Crystal Palace, Eze, and I say Ubenya Jordan Ayew so obetime free bench aba no aba benya that particular goal ni dia momo. By me kubesima ko handicap 2 or 3 goals. By me betima share present for ibe 5 and 6 or 7 in this particular game. Ubetima ko. Then Sevilla, don't be moved by Sevilla. Omunyo mo ye ne se okwa kotwa omachi se we dey ombe she wo fie. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful in this particular Sevilla game. Double chance Sevilla and under 3.5. Anytime goal scorer for Sevilla, Rafael May. Anytime goal scorer for Ameria, Ubetimako Sergio Arribas. Iti ene the edema iti for ni ahwe for no.
Me da say the sports messiah akomiano no oze omu gina tactical board nanim sala otwa na wa filisa as a teacher near wa bench romas sanity name papa pokwat na say Ernest Herbert Industries say kan say Ernest ointment no ebi odwama so you be a propro how sa so na chicken pox how wo de no uyu tia na no ma bia ba be gu utia no nso bia gu we de no prekese wa hu na de yo ade enka ma nipadua no mansanka Ernest ointment oba ubitimi krasa de sisi wo ho amwa yo basima empompo na airball kra na uyisu Ernest ointment ebeboa eno achi no bo an ho ankasa no eyinka jankum bia osra na sra Ernest ointment eno achi omo se anka ncho se omo de adrobia be friend awake natural capsules eno so no ema ne mema nyina timi num bi ema ne yeye na e boost wu nipadua immune system no sra bia mwa na ti nipadua no ahode be kosra ma yade bia entimi emewurawura ma nti no fo ani kirem enam yade anketenkete sexually transmitted diseases ni nyina no ebetimi asan akon e de atia sa so eno wanum nyɛ da obi wa na ten kasɛm ɛwɔ fam unya awake natural capsules ɛbɛboa paa mebatwɔ unni nu 12 years a menum bi woyɛ ɔpemfo a menum bi woma akɔda no fo a untimi num bi ti na hyɛ no nsoma me wodo ani kyerɛ mo miamia bɛbɔ din ya benya bi Accra Okaishi Drug Lane Kingswalk Herba Rapesh Ventures Tinatet Herba Baseland Pharmacy Nisi Pharmacy na Rejos Kofodu Gapsin Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy Drug Right Pharmacy Benon Pharmacy Nkoko Usko B Pharmacy Hillside Pharmacy BB Pharmacy Kanso a Tribe of Judah Kumasuba Den Herba Misty Herba Kolinak Herba Habme Pharmacy na Chris K Herba Wani miamia akwa bitmenye bi ato na bibia kama Papa Poku good morning.
Good morning oh.
Boko de
yemu ye de yara
Danyame ase
so de ne aba
Mama best madunai
me da CP am say enso nanka your questions be pese bisa na my kwan be bisa because the same new one I said mo ye hwase no
apa so busa akomia na
dura sa pepepe ti no de me ba
mate
na na adwuma ya ni Ethan Alphonse Kwesi Buensi Jr. and then the birthday were 2 years. Ethan Alphonse Kwesi Buensi Jr. Ethan, happy birthday. I mean, shao. Ethan Alphonse Kwesi Buensi Jr. Sanso na nana kwajo J Opoku Warri School JSS1 JHS1. O papa ne Dr. Ernesto Opoku Remus. Nana kwajo J Opoku do not friend Remus Jr. Unyano de na 7 na chain America. Kumasi Asante Kodoko, former head of medical department, Dr. Ernesto Poku ne baro no.
Okay.
Na never didn't feel do.
Kolana ne dress ne come up or fan
ho. Swag no stropa. Oh yeah, there say ne papa.
Awo de mu.
Ne de kan.
Man can be.
Sounds so fine cross ne papa because we Remus junior no. Na we Remus senior na tum say we.
Na wan e to se junior no.
Ne mame. Because we must all come and discuss on kota. Or no, you need to discuss on kota tadia. I don't feel about that tadia, but I saw no one who could see it. Mira, didn't know you a bit my baby, you 10 years. Now on Cassandra. Into quite this Sancho Nomsi, party. And then they see a man in Kobe Biao.
Dabi,
ya bad, it is a canis.
Aye. Send teammates in Cray Panachos on Rama Pacho. Me
patron to no Miss Per Sancho no. Vodafone line, mammy. Me man contract na second round no mrado mambe bombe diana.
Because Morino Penwo Roma Dortmund forces and Nyan on Bessia for my
Sambe wami.
United issues need doors on the door. Because Osha Glazers out now banner no America.
Banner we Mbobia. Mwe Nkusiaga. Player mo pe o man tamam.
Amato.
Dey be na pe. Na the BCBA no omo mienu nyina akra no so hu se ne carry ice at stake.
Yeah.
Enkunsi no. Wa mobile na national team the Euro 2024. Jack Grealish boss opposition. Messi Mount so on kwado e multifunctional.
Okay.
This is one Euros ni bia. Na Sancho no. Nipa miensa na omo Dortmund ho no. O de negotiate. Because Bellingham is flying. Holland is flying. Now where?
Okay.
Holland flying. Bellingham flying. Jadon Sancho banish. And wow. Chelsea asem no. Eno anaju. Na nkoma me ne basi deal no our office on. Pem me say me nkona me rich I should try and speak to people. Na me san kan. And I know Pemi was a sicho. After bibi, afa won. Na me nim say e na Syria na bi. Nanso. Ye pamo Graham Potter say onya de onko na Lampard mra ansa na Pochettino be fa adwuma. Free Graham Potter free Chelsea be sin there. O ma win 2 matches.
Ara osemo.
I fit 2023 in the Chelsea are winning 6 Premier League games or 6 games. About 13 games in the Premier League without scoring a goal. It doesn't look good. So Chelsea and should go and tia Brighton or China. September was meaning in a moon she go. What's it?
What are this for goal of the match free?
No.
They are also more because players in the Bawa, especially the strikers, Omba Chelsea, they failed to score. But Omko other clubs are.
Aubameyang is scoring. Lukaku is scoring. Aubameyang baby bako pen no koya wa more goals. Chelsea. From AC Milan and Krabrim, Saint-Etienne, Odine Muba, Dortmund, Arsenal. Baby, even Barcelona gave them a creditable number of goals. But the record now Chelsea wasn't good enough compared to the games all born. And no crying here, Sembio. Jackson Nabo 6 matches in the Premier League or 5 yellow cards into Chelsea next match Jackson into Makumenyesa or 1 game ban, which is against he would sit out Brighton game no. Jackson Embo. And then said Malo Gusto no so a red card. Into 3 matches. Say 3 match ban now say he happily red card now.
So Brighton Fulham Burnley.
Ono sombo. Rhys James ni wepra. Yenim da oba training. Na nka say match wona be bontino just omo pushing kura ni bi call. And as I said Benoit ba de Achille na ready so be bo a obebe gina mfimfini na disasi no eko
right back.
Hadrin Makelele Jai team no as a technical mentor. And also a Hadrin na Adrian Kajumba no so atro article bi o Daily Mail num na kan mo Kajumba sama o kan say Chelsea no mo pe Declan Rice pa. They really wanted him. Nemo no mo sure say okwa ebo na o mbetua no English premium. Say England players they bonus 60 million, cry say 80 million. Say Liverpool go to 30 million the quarter and the Caron. No mo sure say be buon. Say na Leicester boo Manchester United no. For Harry Maguire ne born. English players so come one because Stuart Downing and the Liverpool you boom say tam. And until they opted out. But come here on a meeting maybe sa way. Yemfa bibia antu nseni ani. On the basis of playing and demonstrating at high levels. Europe domestically. Declan Rice is surpassing Caicedo.
Definitely. There is no debate about
Good.
it.
Now Manchester City were aware. Say Arsenal already kind.
Yes.
In the chase for Caicedo. Sorry for Rice. Now so omo bupinye say nko omo nya player na. Omo pay.
They could have gone in with a second bid.
But Echomu say swung. But all the Liverpool the any example la. Naturally say Caicedo nyese Chelsea promising the agent in sika kese a. Na nko koton na Liverpool.
Okay.
That is what changed the deal. Sika ya promising agent. Next Pipe Sierra. Ntino. What it means is that Chelsea in person made to English premium for Declan Rice, but we're rather willing to pay English premium inflated by Liverpool. Me and Patrick they make what
for Caicedo.
Exactly. On your willing say obetua English premium for Declan Rice, who is tried, tested, and proven. Name player on share Premier League goal da in Kopama. Omo ya willing so betua 45 or 50 million.
45 plus 5 add-ons meaning 50
for Cole Palmer. But no mum say on between English premium. Look, America they are different. English football culture no so different. And until they about say honest no omakura dressing room hono. It's normal in the American setting.
Okay.
But in the European football setting, on our call dressing room, and that is a Messi. So be Kajon tell ya, or say on the Drogba. So who say Roman Abramovich had in a private jet helicopter no aba Cobham training ground up manager ne apam. So he frequenting their dressing room like that, and Boli and Egbali no, they frequenting the Chelsea dressing room. It's problematic. But Egbali in there.
Yeah, the last issue Boli had was he called the players embarrassing.
Okay.
Per the Athletic.
So, but so coach not say the total support from.
And no problem no.
Because say now cause Makelele Jai, non first team coach Bruno. So
we are if Matt Law is telling us the truth, which I believe he is, because for me Chelsea reporters is the most credible for me. Madlaw. Chelsea report cover Chelsea beat. No, he's the one I actually trust the most. I can say about half from any didn't come officer. I mean, when he breaks down his coverage by any story for another day. Chelsea have 5 points after 6 games. 0.8 points per game. They are not averaging 1 point per game. Anytime I will be averaging 0.8 points in Chelsea, will be a YBB relegation. Hey, yes. If Chelsea average a point per game throughout the season, Ombenya 38, and I know they will not. Eventually, they will start picking up wins along the line. But it's gloomy, especially if you look at the amount of money they've invested into the squad. I command it to me now, so I'm just one match. But I'm the full game. Douglas Luiz, Ede Bubakar Kamara. Omonde Caicedo ni Enzo Fernandez fast no. And second James again no so Epra. Which is
John again or you're stubborn.
Very. So or engine or Akumapa. Babon Tobin Kumus no Sumano Ebapa. But you see, like I said, Chelsea will pick up again. It leads me to the question about how we have rated these two who are supposed to be the anchor for the next 10 years. Caicedo anye pre-season. Ojai continue if you London Sambekaya until a bed in Kakramam. It will take time. Enzo Fernandez is now starting his first post-pre-season season. Mechema Muse Enzo Fernandez ne bo audi kan be bo Chelsea ni na no. No monye pre-season. Until a bed the
environment has impacted his performances nowadays.
So now near me say yehu January signings. Omaba abet sesa team.
E been him for
first one in recent memory. Bruno Fernandes.
Or joining Manchester United.
The individual performance. A Danny team.
Team said if the team no can perform individually.
That time Man United was Bruno.
And now Bruno. And you could see the numbers now all one. A transforming Manchester United ankasa. A you move free baby, a call baby. Cause no mushi pa. Ukwe check akra. Suarez transformed Liverpool from January. Obe replace Torres. You could see not on Yadi Bebre. Torres in the first January to May no. Then to say Bruno Fernandes there no.
Okay.
Jono the nebem krana. After Obosa January to May ni we no. And not started say Obo BB. And you cannot inconsistent. I'm sorry. Suarez in the first 15 months no. Ne on and off. But no they constant.
Okay.
And Sana Van Dijk echo Liverpool no. Now omo consider go sin top 6 side bia Premier League no. That time na Liverpool team no mind it say car. E chire no Bolaka eni mu ne Ferrari. And so Van Dijk buy no. Obema Liverpool be the the meanest defense from January to May in the Champions League and then in the Premier League. Inti Enzo Fernandez, a transformational player. How has he transformed Chelsea? Because I can't see us say 2023 in I'm about 13 games or months ago. Look, a best a bet Danny at some point. But this picture is to let every Chelsea fan know. So, signing in any transfer market. No, it be a while.
Okay.
And are they willing to be patient?
Because they've been there promising Bekai. So, show them next 10 games at Nandium crash now.
Football in follow logic.
You can win
one match be. Also, match a late goal be. Now, Danny be.
Okay.
Until it could transform them. Nemo project we owners na pam until we so munim pam with Graham Potter na fans ne
eno so ne asem
na wa Luther Ken bi say Mauricio Pochettino yanko echi ne yanko Hurricane Son Lucas Moura Eriksen Alderweireld, Vertonghen, Kyle Walker, Rose, Dele Ali. Into GD pass and Crown Kraya. Solid potential. Just in Crown Matom in your potential.
Yeah.
So Pochettino intimate coach into a unit. I man or more individual talent. Now cost said the way of Tottenham now. Even if you are one Abokafan. Somebody who understands this kind of project. Unyan son. Everton for 9 new owners. Now I can say also years got today.
I'm the Bomb Football Club now. Now community work so.
Look, you know.
Papa, for about 30 seconds for you.
They must get it right. If they don't get it right, Asama to team. I agree. You can't get this wrong. Study Momusia Apaska. Everton is in because the player been a bit more than 50 million pounds. Kavele win an oba. No pra. It's a corner prolific. Unana also Manchester for the buy no moves on a limited kakra. No more feel. Everything agent says Kawis. Says Kana ya. Asama.
Me that say, every papa pokuno no. Jeffrey Asari Apostle. Tam Swason. I'm on Sembre Enye. Send me the Dudona. Jeff, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh,
sir, and a divine selection number. Sometimes a divine selection in our.
Oh, yes.
It's already my selection of pedia accident. Okay, so we start with Formula One and a quick one. Time 12 minutes. Imagine trend be about in relation to one Ferrari and McLaren. And it is good for them and it's good for the industry competition. Because I said Max Verstappen are dominating, Red Bull is over dominating. And to share trend now, the last 3 races, there's a certain trend that has developed. One, share Italian Grand Prix, pole position, a race or moko eche baby or be a bejina, car bejina, you two car race now. So pole position for Italian Grand Prix was won by Carlos Sainz of Ferrari. And then race Nankasa was won by Max Verstappen. Clearly, this is not what has happened in the last 10 races. Now, this particular the Italian Grand Prix, even took Max Verstappen 15th lap, so getting inside of it out of the fact so the brake zone and because Carlos Sainz a mistake, echo outer and not mirror the inner lane. Now, this race was won by Max Verstappen, Sergio Perez, and then Carlos Sainz, Eddie third. Now, this race, Sunema, Max Verstappen had a record 10 consecutive wins ever in the history of Formula One. Okay. The last time, so another Red Bull, Sebastian Vettel, 2013.
Yeah.
So Sebastian Vettel made that record. Now, so he set the record, but Singapore was a different story. So after all, and Tisena, nipa and to be a mistake. So we are tweaking to Singapore because Singapore and a bit bumpy. And to Usheni, of course, was Singapore. What happened was that it was Singapore no. During the pole position, once again, Carlos Sainz winning pole position. So on Ferrari, the trend, pole position, Italy pole position, I was Singapore. But Max Eddie 11th pole. The race proper.
Okay.
The race proper, Max a mistake. 10-1, 10-1, 10-2, a Costino. So at the end of this particular race, Carlos Sainz won this race. Max was furious lap 34. Didi engineer at them because he think that Omam wanted the strategy in relation to Sergio Perez, son cover mano. So this one, Carlos Sainz won. Lando Norris. Now watch this. Lando Norris, McLaren, Eddie second. Lewis Hamilton. Unfortunately, George Russell is so deterred, but a mistake just a lap before the final lap. NMR Lewis Hamilton. Only a pissed off strategy and they were 3rd and 4th, so he was able to win it. Now, the Bufuye, Max was so furious with the engineer because that the strategy was wrong for this. So the Bufuye, because now he operated 11 consecutive. Now, a Bufuno Odiko Japan, Suzuka, this weekend. So you see, sir, Suzuka from pole. He won the pole, and he won the pole disagreeing with the engineer. The strategy for the pole or disagreeing with the engineer, he won it. The race itself, from lap 1 to lap 1, superb excellent control of the vehicle, any good application of DRS. Lap 15, he extended the lead to 7 seconds. In fact, Formula 1, the second split second is very, very important.
Okay.
Lap 17 of pit stop here, and they decided to do only one pit stop strategy for the day. So lap 17 of pit stop here, Lando Norris, and all this second McLaren now took over the lead because someone said, okay, pit stop here, at least you need minimum 2 to 3 seconds to be able to get out of the pit because they're very important because of the split second nature of it.
Okay.
Then lap 18, Lando Norris, who saw pitting, McLaren says that Lando Norris should go and pit, Carlos Sainz should go and pit because they are first 2-3. Lap 19 was when you realize that after PF pit, lap 19, George Russell was not leading because Lando Norris a PT. He came and overtook Russell within 3 seconds. Lap 20, Lando Norris set the fastest lap because Opeso catching up with him. Now lap 24, he extended the lead between him and Lando Norris to 10 seconds. That's how wide it is. Okay. Lap 24, he decided to do a pit stop, but Omar agreed because of the left wing tire, no air creative problem, but they didn't allow it because a bus up, the race strategy will be affected. But then lap 27, what happened was that Oscar Piastri, any Abrantier, a friend of Lando Norris, they are from McLaren. So the strategy was that on making sure Lando Norris be the second, although the main person, now Oscar the third. Now, so Lando Norris was giving instruction to overtake Oscar. That's how Formula 1 works. Command instruction to do that because the main man must be seen. And I overtake, Then come lap 30. Max said we are Jumano lap 30. Reason we're extending lead to 15. So you realize that lap 35, Hamilton pit, 36, Oscar pit, 37, Lando Norris pit, 41. Now Max has already gone 51 or 30 fastest lap because the fastest lap is 1 point. In addition to 25 points away winning. And then when he finished, listen to the interview.
Downforce, so that's why we're so slow in the first sector.
Okay, so
yeah, I think we made the right call, and with the information we had, now it's about making the most of tomorrow's race.
I think there was some positive, definitely. We had very tricky for practice, tested a lot of things, and didn't have a great feeling with it.
See, doubters, Omo feel say blip ne ba ye was Singapore no. Omo ka so be Sebiu Max sana o share anya de sa e we be famous he mu diagro na maba for good. You have no idea. It's one of those things. If I got upset and dealt with the doubters, say, why should you doubt me when only one race? And don't forget, since Brazil last year, this is the first time he's not even on podium for 1 year. Yeah. That's incredible performance for him. So just one race, why should you say because of that? My way. Now that is enough. Me call Megan Rapinoe. One of the finest American female footballers. CNA be very difficult. Uyi Mayaham, I be one back. I mean, I think that she really has blazed the trail. Now, football in the life of Barrier. She has beautiful story. That's her. I mean, now what she does best, and yet only the delivery of crosses to the box, which she normally or the two defenders touchy, but her hold up play, the intelligent, the movement, the timing, sense of timing, and then a left winger plays as a second striker, how or cut infield and creates spaces and chances for your friends and like he just did with Onagaza Crusher for his colleagues. And that is what I made her to score 63 goals and 73 assists. But beyond that, about the junior national team under 16, under 19, but unfortunately on your ACL, anterior cruciate ligament, she joined the national team 2006. And I'll join national team, so she's played national team for 17 years. Okay. But what Upamo Colano at the tender age, that is how long they can play national team for a long time. With the US don't move from higher. Your friend said JHS, right? Yeah. I don't move school in Colano free. Now Megan, born during Bopa, pa. Now after missing 2007 World Cup and 2008 Olympic because of ACL, no. So she came back 2009. She joined the team. They went to the World Cup 2011, which they lost to Japan, and then 2012 they met Japan again at the Olympic game. Guess what? She was the one who happened to one of the goal scorers for the Olympic game. She won Olympic game gold. Then 2015, almost Japan said, Bibi Nebai, they came and met Japan again. World Cup, she won. 2019, she won against the Netherlands. And 2019, she, top scorer, or joint top scorer, Alex Morgan, and then winning the best player as well. And she won Ballon d'Or. Mention Ballon d'Or presentation is.
The best FIFA Women's Player of the Year officially is Megan Rapinoe. Congratulations.
Now, so I mean, she's an incredible woman as a footballer, great footballer. Now, attack can be me fear. How do me can wasm. But now let's go to time into a minute quick. The other aspect for me, the greatest thing she's done, not even playing, the equal pay agreement.
Sompa Sports.
Oh yeah, 6 years ago, 6 years. That was the last year. Okay, this was the interview on it. So let's listen to the interview now.
Happen to every person who is marginalized by gender.
In the U.S., women on average make 82 cents to every dollar paid to white men.
So the argument is say, Adena eba waka mema no kra waka munya de. Waka bi age na Olympic game age o de American say. So yem equal pay yen ne agi yen mo gi paper for 6 years. Yes, and this US, look, she fought this for 6 years. Me can say Hope Solo, almost over best goalkeeper in the history of American football. Hope Solo, or a part of it, Alex Morgan, I mean a part of it, Carl Lloyd, and then Becky Sandrum. But when only the Ebane Casa CN, Bebia, she's the one that fought finally last year. Ebai. Says our national team US the qua. Nyombe GB Amano GB. Omuji 50,000, Manbaji 50,000. Because of that, the Presidential Freedom Award Yedima America sebi ebi atana me ya ebi be boa minor community no eno na President Joe Biden edima no enti
Megan Rapinoe, where Megan Megan is one of the most accomplished soccer players and the first soccer player to receive the Medal of Freedom. Beyond the World Cup titles and Olympic medals, Megan is a champion for essential American truth that everyone is entitled to be treated with dignity and respect. Everyone.
I know the President Bonabaso had the young for tum for the hand. Singing like how do me attack Amimpe or how the Hong Kong Amimpe, but apart from that, look, she deserves everything. And she has made a tremendous impact in her career and her life, both on the field and off the field. Achievement where I mean, it's rare. So one of those few athletes, Obeka say, what me combining sport, using the tool of sport, at the BB Kese Weaba. America for the rest of the history of America, the man in Mema tournament, Obi Njichobi, would you 40,000? 40,000 and a member's budget.
Medasi Jeffrey Asare the apostle now telling Kano na enche yebekwa kudi nkomo akraba ni what scientific clinic and diagnostic services say and control say Dr. Nimoa wodoma no say oba wa wode no pa problem bia wo bia de fa beda no obema wa wafa ho afa ba nyame nam no so cheba sa so na obema no egu anum ase obema ni ntu kofia no wasu tirase bra obema obema no so no eye adwuma kama eno akyenya no nko a omo yare bebro mo say bi say halitosis babu a no wadum eyinka ne nyina no obetimi aboa ebia na hu babia problem ni free sa so na fibroid or sexual transmitted disease bia ne nyina no ba obetimi aboa oba wa himfio no nso free oba enso bi guguo normal pi ewo woni padua no ma wani nye ho okopiem wo ni what scientific clinic and diagnostic services are obetimi aboa to ase dia ma bema wo prostate problem mu fie etware ya de ho wani problem ben yade bia yade ne doso ne nyina no so obepiem ewo kumase na kumase bia he na wo so do ani kire odu ani kire ewo kumase atonsu mu na ko junction omne adanse wura bank ne de nhwe na kumase omuye aduma free eye edadwoda ekosi ememenda 7:30 am to 6 pm na nkran so obehu omu eda eya wada ekosi Menenda 7:30 to 6 p.m. Now Accra no omo air circle inside Fotorama Goy station one abi homo omo NS chemist ne dey from 0244 87687 0244 087687 0279 087687 no from ombejo so be kama mame nkobes madu enu madim na me nkodi nkomo na me nsa emra papa nyine boko de
menua boko nyame adom bia e fine pa
NS nyame adom ye hia
no cre
ye nim se de bia modem ba japade na mo be chema ye
ayo ye ton sase abuso
nkrofo ye nkrofo bukata ebinu ewuhye binom
enya asem ketwa
ba munti ne nkrofo eye fiewura anom
eye simple kra wo de ne se ye determination wo de besi wani so se me betimi ato asase ohun ebo no a wadwen yo se bi ebo no din bebre ye won nkrofo bi wo ho no mo a ade no se o man no a ohun ne bo oti akira na adwene se ade de ne boarding na nso wo ban a na hu se ne bo enye den yen sase no as low as 30,000 full plot ubenya asase na won so wotimi aye ne kakra no wasi no abeyi fiura na 50,000 30,000 e chemo mienu a 15,000 and you 15,000 to mean half plot. Oh wow. 52 estate here na say if you say yet 10 so say the be obi e benya asase na won so atimi aye wade kakra na be fiura na enei say want me anto asase 30,000 a masa o ma hu 2-3 years a o 30,000 wan hwe wunya asase nto dabi if you say de bia no ade bo e mafom ekosoro e na ade ba ko nso ane bo kosoro so a e mafom biem da e asase so you want to okoto Japade bi ti se ka otwumutan ne bo ebeba fom okoto bi ti se TV no ne phone so no ma beba ni ade ayesa gadget na otwumutan ebe depreciate e bo no beba fom na nse ya last week be buy na America omo di 15 aba ni no amanfo gu so ombo mo akoto 15
iPhone no
ya na mpese me bo brand bi ani asa na promo no koso de mo but he say 52 ho asem ani ye ka enti 50 no be no ohwe ho franchise e wo ho ade on de abemu aye Type-C enani ade a
charger
Type-C enani ade wo 15 no ohwe 14 no pro no ne 15 pro no a difference e wo mu aye charger Type-C no mo de abemu no edu okoto sa na ema no menua etina bi no se woto no 10,000 enne otina oton a unya 10,000 no ebo ne beba fom se wuti kura anye ye na nei politicians itimi toto ne ema ye ni ade ma dollar ne timi hwan eba 8 cities 10 cities ne 7 cities no mo sa no de a ene unya bo bia ni won ma benya de afiri mu eno ntina de bia betena hanom a yetu mabunu no yen mabunu no de bia meka obi won ma wanya 60 70 80 ni ade okọ ewo mu se nei emrante no ewudie ema nkokrafo ni biti wode nanso so no opanyini bi ono no wanya be 80 70 years no benya sure so ono no wadwen papa bi wontim so ba beto asase asidan enti yen mabunu no youth na yaba na yesi so no mrante no maba wa no aye de akasesam de asi ni so aye sorry afons ye demo ye siesi no kuntai TV akase na toto de bo honom no mesrew ye ntete sa ne mani nyina so ye ntete so ne ntwetwa so ne ye mo bo aseska na no ne ye fam 52 estate ne ye fam beto asase na entimi emoa wo ene de ye ka ne se ne hu so mfaso o kina bi ena be hu so mfaso nti na ewu tie yen na wo hwe yen e wo Sompa TV na o pa asase ato amfo ne nkire ba bia se 52 estate ye na wo so do ani kire ya so ye ne mo asase na wutimi to eno nti na wu tie ne afa ye number ne fra yen ye number no e ye 0556 72 33 38 0556 72 33 38 na 0531 52 57 97 0531 52 57 97 no eye number se didi djuma kuma se antoa kwantempon no so wonu ma duase page 4 ho ena abehu yen ha sanso so ena nkrampuni mantem so achimota gempa kwantempo no so wonu ma Kufme Plaza Brosana se ho nso obehu 52 estate no bomode aba na ne aba bedi nkomo aba bedi dwa da bia meka 52 estate woto asase na wie no se woto asase di so de dan esi so no ni nyina eye dwumadie ti wutie yen ebi asase no kra wato eda hodada ope eye construction company a obetime si wodan na ede amawa 52 estate na se ode beda yen ye wo eye mason for our beba na afei o plan ade beba no wahwe na wasini nyina free flow level kokodu lentil ho pem se beto so miensa na asa enan o pese wasina ye abrosan so ba akomienu no miensa ne nyina ibe flow so kama si wodan no o plan a wo pe no ezo so etimi edi amount eno nti wato fie wato asase na eda hodada na wo probia me na si edi amount 52 estate ye wo mason for a omunim adwuma a obesi wo dan kama edi ama wo o pese ye twa blocks so edi ma wo anasa o pese ye betwa blocks de ama wo o pese ye top blocks no bi na ye di besi wo dan ma wo ani nyina no 52 estate yen ena wo sa wo de beda yen wo ye no free ho no mo a yesi dan nyina awie aduru emwoso a 52 estate yawo carpenter for munimu adwuma obebo dan no so kama de ama wo a ommo edan no so na bia na wotwe bosumi bi entem afi bi ntem na wo dan no enwunu 52 estate be pacho ya carpenter for no omunimu adwuma obebo dan no so kama e de ama wo wawie no wo pe plumber obeba na afi obepa dan no ho nyina kama atwetwe eye ensuo e de akọ washroom ho taps kama de ama wo a ni nyina 52 estate na da be dying wawie no so no electrician oba obeye wiring e wo fio kama de ama wo no 52 estate fa be dying ye wo competent electricians ho no ma obewa ye ofie no atwe eye nkania e de aba ho ahwe edi wanim agimita enso e de abefio kama e de ama wo na nso wanya anigye ni nyina 52 estate na wo wie de nyina wie no ope Tyler amna ba be to dem ho bedroom ho washroom ho kitchen ho be bia opese totals e de ma no fa be dan 52 estate ne yen totals no kama enso so emfa ma wo wie no e painting ni nyina be dan 52 estate ya painting ni nyina wie no eno so no e dan chen a chese bibia fa dan ho need demo ho asiesie interior ne exterior deco fa be dan 52 estate na yensiesie bibia kama eso so emfa emawo 52 estate de wo to asase wo sie ene se wo de eboso painter Tyler bibia no 52 estate yenchen na saafo ni nyina no obenya ni nyina ye de no full package ena yede ema wo mesra wo hwe na wo tie na social media abain we are live on Facebook hwe ye free amanfo nkro so ne amano ne ya mehwe comment ne bia wo se mehwe free Qatar wo be se mehwe free Dubai mehwe mu free ha ene ya America US ne adade ne nyina no mesra wo pe wo bi amna ba be si wo free di amount e wo Ghana yetimu idi a fa be na 52 o de ko sha wadamfo na busoni bi nsa mesra wo obetwi wadi oba wo ye wadamfo wontimi nya ne hwe oba o yobusuani wontimi nya ne hwe so yo wofa so yo wunua wontimi nya ne hwe efise ese moja emodu sinu nsuo ne yebubu sa abena ne da hyehye mu a wontimi nka ho asem pi ne no wabofom enti se wo mpese obusuani bebo fom te se de tete no ebi mu bo obi no mu fom o montimi ansole bi mbepem ne eda so han amanfo fie e wo krom ano de a fa bedan 52 estate the numbers ne twagu screen so no wo hwe ne afa na frɛ yɛn question bi apeso busa no yɛ krado no bedi ho enkomo yɛn sa sense de mesi aka no ukura 30,000 40,000 50,000 60,000 yɛ 100,000 Ghana cedis asase nyina wɔ hɔ it depend ba bi asase no ɛda wotie yo pa asase de filling station ɛda kwa ho kama fa beda 52 estate be ma bi dan so otimi atɔ wo pe ba bi nso a e ba bi wɔ no a asase no ye wo 10 acres ho 20 acres a yakwa akɔgye 52 estate yedin wo so a yeguso a ye tete de ma amanfo ene ye wo bi wo ho so a yesi efie ne nyina twa ho de ahia ena no nate akam a obi de da ho no mo a eno no ɔton eno so no ye wo ho no bi ye obi wo ho no so a ye ton enti da bia meka wo ya branch no ozi so a na pass asase ato 52 estate na ase o de bedan ne ye ma wasase na wotimi etom wo no eton nchen a ye siesie fie wo fie no ache 40 years 50 years eni ade pese ye de eye modern pono abampoma eni ade eni decorations ahodo e de ba ofie ho de ma wa 52 years de bia meka yen yembu efie engu na emom de betwetwam se de besi aye no wankasa wani ebetimi age ho ne nyina 52 estate na wosa wo de bedan yen na ne krakra mu kra no ameko no se o pedan ahan fa bedan 52 se o pe one bed an de dan ma han de dan ma han enti utie ye ne a na wo pedan han a fa beje 52 estate babia fa bedan yen na de to wa adwene obi pese o de se wo ye fiewura na pese o do dan ma han a uni problem wo de se o de abedan yen efiewura fo no kra do no na etu anamo eba ɛde ɔmo dan ɛbɛhyɛ yɛn nsa sɛ yɛmpɛ obi ma no na ɔnhan ɛwis obi wɔ hɔ no mo a bɛhan dan na ɔyɛ cause trouble na ɔha adwene nti saa nneɛma no nyinaa ne putu saa nneɛma no nyinaa yɛ place ne ama baabi a wɔn nso de oti ɛbɛto nti na kyɛ sɛ yɛasɛm no tie yɛ numbers no biam yɛ 0556 72 33 38 0556 72 33 anaa 0531 52 57 97 na wo ne yɛn adi nkɔmmɔ da biaa mekɔ a wo nua meka woyɛ abrante woyɛ ababaawa wasi so wenye sika kakra ba wonsam wode bebo preman da yɛ kɛse sɛ matotɔ kaa de adedam ne ade ne de mesrew fa ton saase ɛno dankyɛ kora no a wode yɛfasi fie ne fa ma han wobɛdidi ho a ɛkɔpem sɛ wobɛwu menua
wahwɛ sɛ wakɔ shop akɔdi dwa ahodoɔ basket ma emu provisions ɛne nneɔma ahodoɔ a ɛhia wo paa wadi line mu saa ɛduru so na wokɔtua nso a yɛaka kyerɛ wo sɛ untimi nchante yɛ mɛchante number na so ɛyɛ kɛkɛ na mmom wode Vodafone cash deɛ a wonni haw koraa yɛkakɔ baabia sei deɛ wotumi de Vodafone cash ɛtua mɛchante bia ɔwɔ network bia so ɛyɛ straight ɛyɛ direct ɛyɛ sharp enti sɛ wotɔ provisions fuel nnuro nnuane mekyerɛ sɛ biribia wopɛ sɛ woyɛ bia no Vodafone cash ama na yɛ mmerɛmmerɛmmerɛ ama wo yɛhia a wobɛyɛ ade sɛ wobɛdiale star 110 hash na tua kakɔ mɛchante bia hɔ ɛwɔ network bia so
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now, and number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap in Jackpot. Do it. Bet responsibly, not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Hey, it's your 4 game pack 4 pick one game na ya channel. After your bedroom, choose one by the wakoma so. Every the number 1, equity 36. Chani boom, na share him say, ube disika bocho, wabra ye number nepie. Bobo, na ye ready say, ube di mula, wabra wucha from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 cedis. Na face kana ube channel. Faba home predio nusia, metire 26 times. E was up pick one game imu. Chabano, abra wubo star 946 hash on all networks. Ana a face ube timia kwenye website. Ana ube download the Game Pack app no. Ewo www.gamepackgames.com. Share live draws. Ewo Adum TV. Anopa nonkron. Ewia dumie no. Ene nyumre no nsia. Debia. Game Pack. More mula. More power. Sagrodi. National Lottery Authority in Sashasi. Enye mo mundi mfie dumwachi. Bono wa sheyem.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya meya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oye me ho ade. Congratulations dear, me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What manani relaxation aye de. Awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche yie eye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Seche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots a ewo Ghana fanan nyina. Fre 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
21st Clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Womuji international awards ahodo, womuji local awards ahodo. Na anunso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebini baby a gise 21st clinic in kwa. Womu dia bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de pa ko wo magidi wo pa no. Eya sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa. Diabetes ne hypertension ni ade ni ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mo ho. 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Right, yes, I'm about Sompa 93.1 full time. And your team could also the air bros and so person to quite dear a Lucas travel consult or say bra no fun to quite says singing visa now pay a America and our pay a UK now pay a hina pesa woko say a quenya na ba a juma dino so dawson with the encoba bia and one of contact Lucas travel consult or dobeko was this a passport now pay birth certificate and a bank statement nina Lucas travel consult beboa na and what some page my phone my juma say marketing certificate na betuma be juma as a marketing manager so soon as sales personnel receptionist administrators shop attendant house help accountant and one say obefre wo na no madi nkomo na dia du twam wo maso ye ba control nsema a visa before payment gauta Ghana ma visa na bana wani hu no no atwa musika e dia omo tema Gulf City from 0534 543210 0534 543210 from Lucas Travel Consult bejo so na bibia so etimi aye kama na enu akine ye ka kire o se enne de yade enti wantimi anka wasema obi anka bi emma wo enu nti odo ani kirem a nature medics for say omunom de abadwama so efre bi dimpa heba mesha dimpa heba mesha no malaria typhoid wanu nyo de obo wa dwanwa na se why week wa pono aposo nyina ye oya why bohu wunya dimpa heba mesha beboa wo saso gastro mesha no also do tatahwe osade yam kretima osote okraya no wani nyi aduane to yam na yam tutu dan da na wafon enu nti ye kanfo gasto mesane bi ediama unya bia ebetu ase one time ediama ye menso plus mesha enu ma de no be sisi wa infio obabi okra be 2-3 months wo mu ne nsada busawo se mojafi na hine kogu unya menso plus mesha ebema blood na flow kama saa so na bosome na nsisi so no ebesi so kama ediama na wo peni doso potu akoto odo ani kiremo mistie ba okumase jeff ba mankasim pena heba o Cape Coast nimde heba o takrado na na boache ba ebi wa akra na ebi wo tema na Ekus pharmacy wa shama from e 0248778899 na bibia enye kama emfa ema Game Park Ghana Limited na Game Park for say yan kan cho say wo de fa nkobom na yisikani ni nyina no say almost numbers no from 1 to 36 and on say ube you numbers now you number na say utwa entwa no less than 1 cedi and entwa no more than a bet 35 350 Ghana cedis now utimi twa sika de betwa no udia sika na twa times 26 enti udi 1 cedis and twa ya sa 1 cedi no udia on bet times 26 and a diamount. Nina say on person so yisikani o de ho na bibia e kama ma. Say every day bia no for any chirem wo Adum TV. Anopa no nkunu awia prem to 12 any anwumre no nsia on bobo into 3 times and on bobo nti akonya no da ho ese ofa 1 to 36 na betuma denye sika ma bibia aye kama fa phone or tablet and akom website na ko download omo app no www.gameparkgames.com na bibia enye kama uni 18 years a ho engine eno edi fro e ba ye de e mamo eso eno no eno achi no ye ka to se Vodafone cash special bundles no egusu a ekoso fa nwuram Vodafone no mo so se ohene ba Vodafone for edwene hom se omani mo aye den abrobo no so ayehye eno ntire se bundle no fa nwuram nti so yusu Voda cash eno an se 5 Ghana cedis pe unya bundle o senye 200 minute talk time na udia ye dwuma kasa to all networks for 7 days enye Vodafone na hemfo na be ma osa akwanya we Vodafone and so you su Voda cash na enye Vodafone cash no na do ho gym na bibia so aye kama ediama dial star 110 hash na to o bundle no abra you su Voda cash na bia enye kama emfa emma eno achi no so no ye ka kire se ni nyina no se odu ho ebeje eye mattress papa so na mattress papa so na do ho eje so no ni ja se o da so da yepa eno Royal Foam Ghana Limited omuso omne de yesa foam papa fe Royal Foam mattress aba we carpenter ni we mason ni adwuma be na we open mattress eno an so obenya Royal Foam mattress wo to no na ye cho pillows ye free discount ewo ho omsefo ni chirem ewo omo factory house wo omo premises ewo asokore mampon omo ben CCC obe omo showroom wo na mattress awo do bebre ho omo branches bebre obetima akona mattress bi awo pe no won saka ni nyina no se fatu trim se ope Royal Foam mattress na bia ye kama phone number 0202271000 0202271000 na nsem bia ope efa mattress no busa na bibia enkoi eso emfa ema Trinity of Arc Limited for se akontu no tie uye nurse ni uye lab technician uye midwife uye obia ye adwuma wa yaresabia akonyina ba omse Canada, United States of America and other countries that be dom some adwuma for more enu ntin uye teacher ni a akonya ba Kuwait e di ama wo sa so na ye obi a wonsa no adwuma uninsa no adwuma kra na se ho odin betima ye adwuma so ko school an ko school ye oba wo ye bema o me se bra no mu fa ntu kwan kom adwuma nye nye sika fa be boa abusua no enti Trinity of Arc Limited say wo de ne se kumase wo do ne be kire mu ado ato masala achi wo on be Abepo Junction Accra so mo ka so a New Market e kwan na ko Fidelity Bank baby o ma boss an first floor ho na be hu omo na obetima from 0531 644 217 na 0531 633 556 ombetima from BMO 0205 572076 o from na bibia kama betway golden code promo no eguso a koso Friday normal release omo be select games no e do otna ka ho kama dia ma entwan less than 1 cedi and entwan more than 50 Ghana cedis there do twam say betway say for the love of the game until say utwa na say the one nimpo na yesare fandu sikadma aba enye betway info biem enti golden code promo no found boom na found gym na no ma enkoi emfa ema odi so a wadi bafu ni 18 years a me pato entwa bi na ma akasa kasa bia eno edi fro eba ye de mam no na yemfa nsam kakra ya boabo no na eno pai wo futam dwumadi so enwu fom emfa emam ni nyina so wura Black Queens asaya obekaya omukopie mu WAFCON qualifier against Rwanda ewo Kigali ekotwa mo ekanso a omo antimi ante na ne na second leg no etodwa wa Accra Sports Stadium 4 p.m. na game no ebetimi abaso na coach ye friend Nora Hoptel Akasa at afa game no ahead of a match no.
There is not a secret. There's a lot of work behind. First, of course, you need to congratulate the players. They, in the end, are on the pitch and take the right decisions. We have a big staff which we work very professional behind in the analysis, in the game planning, a lot of individual talks, also video analysis. So there's a lot of work, and this is in the end the secret. Yes, we are proud that we scored so many goals, but even more proud to have a blank sheet behind. We also invest a lot in the defense, and I think until now the game plan gripped, but also the players really transmitted it well. And we have a game.
And no Black Queens head coach, and I'll tell you, and the game maybe to 4 p.m. at Accra Sports Stadium or Casa Edifa on Shayana Noma, the Beguna Kwam, so Mutimu and your day. Sa first leg, Omakwa win 7-0. And watching Yama Ghana, your Premier League, you know, so game back with 2 Ekemu and Ra and the team Eba, so Accra Lions and Legon Cities and the Epimo. Na Ebana we na Accra Lions, actually Legon Cities, Ekabakwa, Omantimanti, Evans Bosum Train. And they say go back with Pimo Edema, Accra Lions, and a game the banner Ibrahim Tanko, Ekasai for 3 points. What team team no Amon Saka?
Yeah, it's true. I mean, we have 2 half time and we have very good first half, and I should say very terrible second half time because we allowed them to press us in our half. And yeah, sometimes it's also good to take the 3 points even if you play bad. So I think it's very important for us these points today. Yeah, it's true. I mean.
And some Ibrahim Tanko Kanya say, say, about bad game, Krana, so 3 points are a year pa. Naniachi Ehon, assistant coach at the Timefen Legon Cities, your friend Yusuf Amadou Tairo, and so in Central for Bishay after the game, Nansmodi to Dani.
Actually, my team actually played to what we asked them to do, but you all saw the hard luck. We had about 3 to 4 goals that we couldn't make it. In all, I mean, both teams played very well, tactically. and then maybe one or two went wrong. That's why we didn't equalize and then carry the day. Actually,
and we are some assistant coach at the Legon Cities. The Yusuf Abdul Tairu Edituga. Na Daniel Afo Esunenya MVP. Na Ojam Dema Accra Lions. Onosono etimi edi ensembi tuga.
Meka say enyame kwame mo de wona de me bedu sei. Na na game no me say time na do no a place so ma plenty. So mo breso a e say me na me gina na me keep bibia se na be take 3 points. Meka
ena eye table no esi etie yenhwe na yemfa table ma Accra Lions after enura game no omo na league no omo dasro omo e 4 points. Bofa Kwata no 4 points after 2 games. Kerala United as well 3 points. 3rd position, 4th position. Ojama Diana FC 3 points. Nations FC Tosu Enum 3 points. Insua Traman FC Tosu Nsia 3 points. Brekum Chelsea Tosu Nson 3 points. Legon Cities at the 8th position 3 points. Real Tamale United at the 9th position 3 points. Dreams FC at the 10th position 3 points. Hearts of Folk the 11th position 3 points. Gold Stars 12th position with 3 points. Bechem United 13th position 3 points. Bechem United 13th position with 3 points. Samatex 14th position 3 points. Accra Great Olympics 15th position with 2 points. Accra Lions Heart of Lions 16th position 2 points. Asante Kotoko 17th position with 1 point. Medema 18th position on that war Wari Nketego 1 point eso ho na ye Roma Hearts of Folk Jesse no the press release biaba na release Hearts of Folk for their buff Jesse no eso that's the Hearts of Folk management is pleased to notify all Phobians that our replica jerseys for the 2023-2024 football season are available on sale. To grab yours and brag with it, kindly contact the number below. There's a number no and na price in 220 Ghana cedis. Na number no 0554087903. Number bet my friend abe WhatsApp na so ajoje na bibia. Eso I comment jerseys no na dance no upebe 220 Ghana cedis. Now they akwaji jersey dey fe edi akire. And na opanyin fan Everseman Hesi. One Hearts of Folk omo chapters no ono na chairman Dan Wakasa edi afa ho.
Facebook, me, other social media networks, supporters, ni be complaining. The TN say NCC need control over the pricing of paraphernalia, and I say things like jerseys, club nankasane purchase the bar. As much as we feel for the supporters and supporters need interest in a priority, there are certain aspects NCC said that it need too much powers there in terms of like justice, but to appeal to the supporters, in fact, as a matter of fact, to support a big club or a team like Accra Hearts of Folk, it also comes with certain responsibilities, and one of those responsibilities, and it's you would want to wear the beautiful jerseys of the club. But me sure said the club has taken into consideration many factors like shipping, like the pricing in terms of how much they bought it or they printed it. So we will continue to engage the management, but until then, the best supporters is Omonto jerseys.
And we Summer Hearts of Folk National Chapters Committee Chairman your friend Elvis Herman Hesi Eddie Etuga. Now Hearts of Folk team no anopai omo ye training. Na omo che team no mienu omo na no mo game ni bi no. Ade say na wie omo friendly game a omo ebebo. Ye nhyehyɛ a ifro eba team no ne Saba FC and ebebo Probi Mine Sports Complex 3 p.m. and a house team no ebebo sa friendly game a ebeba so no. Na Santi Kotoko aso ye anopai omo ye training. Awie ombesan atwa so aye training. kotoko krobia no na Justice Blay and Richmond Lamptey etimi any team no training ewo any jeswa eno Sampa game omne Karela bebo no ma di demo Justice Blay and Richmond Lamptey bitmesi akan e de ama Sante kotoko bobo na china ena kotoko be pre-match conference na head of Karela game no na achina no pa 10 a.m. Baba Yara Sports Stadium conference room one ebetodwa na no na kotoko company for so mo press conference na coach friend Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum and Stephen Mukwala and a very represented club no and in central for Akwakushia and no air the down the emma na ya preko eswa kasada fa kotoko na to folk and we say league ya sha say there bread here on be brebi pa na mum de besini.
But this part of Africa is a different ball game altogether. So for the players to get to know him and then number accepting the system, and they only say players are assigned this is in the end. It will take time. It will take time. See, me personally, I see he has a struggle a bit as a normal final field, which will be normal.
Eno sama ya preko eso editu twa na eno achi sama test coach ya friend Nuri Amadu eso edin sembia tudwa edi ama sama test supporters na de okache fans ni.
The club should be paramount. Say ebia play ebia fruit team no na onye happy. That's not the point. You are supporting the team. Me as a coach, I will come and go. The players will come and go, but the club stays. And so that interest, that passion for the team should supersede any other interest. Going forward, but during those moments, there are bad times, and when things are very difficult, still they have to support the team because these are some of the players now. They are very young and they always need the backing of the following. Maybe I now more born and more shed and yet huge crowd say we, and so. And the way now almost support the team, they are very, very good, and they should continue to support the team. Yes, so we'll do our best to put smiles on their faces.
And we are summer test coach in summer or they are two Jadama summer test supporters and no. Now, yeah, we are Sompa development tournament, no. Egusua tuja ewon kransa na ukopima say na fana etie adishman any Brady number 1. And a bebo fana no kick off at 3 p.m. There's a Brady number 1 Adishman and Ted and Fort no Docron Quanta any Kufurudia any Bishia and also we are Premtobre and Ampacho Manfa in our mouth. Okay. The Eterno no, I won't say no. Na the Eterno Roxy travel say and can't also be so school. Ewa bruchi kusia de. Saso ena yensan can't also you be a person cover football wa bruchi. Person koye adwan kasa wa bruchi Roxy travels. Brano mo fan kono mo wow. Companies they be down mo o na dimpa track record na ye. And it's so health worker so akwanya aba e dia ma. Wo de bra say o pe birth certificate, o pe passport, o pe bank statement, o pe even private jet e dia koba bia na nyina no betimanya bi e dia me ba control nsem dia Roxy Travels. Almost say encounter the kuma so mo asafo VIP station or abrosana ya twere ni Golden Home Touch hona be wo makra omo kaso CP omo ni Methodist asori dan e dem hwe fe Roxy for ewo 0244 613 237 and I say 0257 776730 0557 607 Roxy Travels from na no mu eni enkomo akumia mamen shase emfri ho.
Yes, Luther. Interestingly, Accra Lions, BP so on performance on Mudinya results against Legon Cities. They lost some key players, but definitely Bakumi Nubi still at a team. But there's one thing about Coach Parko Sifabia on Shady Kakra. Olusuma on Pepus match.
So what we adwene sesuo oguni dia no waba
olusuma cha on people's match adai na one number church of supporters ni dey see answer na wo lose that particular game
te bia na assistant no na assistant wo ho ti wo kan bibi kire so no so nim game
na do we need dia na assistant ni do ntimi nkasa this one one na be kasa
te bia pe o mu nsumi no bia no ma bi o ma hyehyɛ no
Pomusumi no nyoma ma hyehyɛ no
say lusu abeko
ye lusu abeko chese ya oba Yauba winko. Delba dia wimbra. I think he should stop that. But Accra Lions have begun the season on a very good note. Wako takwa awakunya 1 point. Then waba betnefi ababenya crucial 3 points. And how almost start your league, you know. I mean, no doubt. Say ombekoswa you say ya, but adia ne uni say be season na. Na fi Accra Lions no man no my ni na so set ba. I want to be hopeful. Say this season there. Ujam me offer. Oni ni coach no. Ombetutu omunyo ma yi. No mo maintain this standard no. E dey through no mo dey wie.
Tanko.
Ai, top 4 no league no mo gibe ye. Mamum pre points ni nyina ngu onum sa amre ne durum na ye ya na afi na mo be kire mo. Iti mo nyina mo ho na mo. Then on the second thing, across the folk just in the boy din do.
220 Ghana.
2.2 million can not the otifiati bi a wate ase. Umbro no kra ye umbro na ye design kra we say umbro ni global image umbro no kra na ye say. Adai. Club ni mo aye de mo ma supporters ni first canship. Moya no masa abo adwuma na man ni nyina sa to agu. Just way 2.2. You see, the competitive market
quality were former and answer there because I mean nim the entire say is it because of our economy and answer there na ma ka say the board
just way and the quality of umbro. And the quality of umbro. Let's declare. Oh, umbro no cranage na 1.5. Then you bring some just in the first place the brand in the crampo and you heavy to say umbro. Number 2, the quality it is not like umbro, and you want to charge 220 Ghana cedis from your supporters.
Dollar kosro. So tie the Elvis kana shipping na asefo nyina.
Shipping na asefo. Now what started team no? Ube say team na man for dobem wo share go se ba. Ya nyere ni homa so sa. Ya nyere ni homa so tintintin say. And you are in a competitive market where obi beto Paris Saint-Germain JC. Obi beto Real Madrid JC. Real Madrid JC is no motor wa in your first grade. What did they mention as no? But most of the second grades are some of these teams and I say be more the back room say betoni bino. What did 2 year JC CBA be a pet? It's when 1 year saying. Oh. Nipa or supporting House of Folk, no one is supporting Manchester. Nipa no supporting House of Folk, no, on one is also supporting FC Barcelona. Nipa no supporting House of Folk, no, on one is supporting Chelsea. It is 2.2, said the Ghana aye din. Or her 2.2 na, Chelsea JC be 80 Ghana, 85 to 100. Or J 100 na, 100 na kakakra no. That week no, ebi obefa ka akwa adwuma mu a. Yefa ne se de bia ye fa 5 series kwa na de befa ka akra na 4 days e di ni betwa to 5 days. They are no obetimi de ato aduane and obetimi de ato mo kakra bi konkomienu akosifie kakra. You should understand the system we are in now.
But you say clubs no so da bi omusu sikasem enti ekwan bi so ansam we bia omusu betimi afa so resistka
omusu sikasem a you see say na telebi so catch omusu omonyiro omo they should gain more sponsors to come into the club and also make sure some matches be
enti so you truly phobian fan ufi say bia to 220 Ghana cedi onim say at least 20 cedis kra na also the ama club no
say 20 cedis kra the ama club no 220 cedis and then bring the 200 $22 $22 no bi ti abocho de send obi man de to ade okruma de to said your economy na ekono Luther said the economy na ekono enya bibi o wosi etimi di agro then I have to encourage Kumasi Asante Kotoko pre-match conference no it should be consistent masha asi amamu man nyemu kwa mfifi Samo beye so amunye na munye ni.
Okay. Mate akomia me da se. Amenko papa poko papa.
Mira.
Boko de.
Me adumo.
Unim Dr. Anto. Sunyane.
Aminim Dr. Anto pa.
Se ya de na ba. Ko atebe budi grounds na wie.
Na
Ralph.
Okay.
Yes, a good medical doctor.
Sydney Hospitals any Kajeji Galaxy FC so mo pa boot na mo private me ama o. O na na adwuma ya no.
Hey. And za yebe hu
masa
and yebe because Dr. Anto the fat TB bu ne
he deserve it.
Kwame Danso ne yi ne de.
No, beyond our
the current regime has been a mess in the region. No creba coupe. Wow, be contest or Bona Hafo, Arafia. Odu who treat near cause what regime no when you're popular. Name Richard Trome, yeah, name Wadawada. In recent times, region Hina Menkoy. Me pese me bisa.
Oh, uchini.
Hina for Adamene Galaxy FC for Nijina Kajeji no yedim komo na e omusri. Yedim komo no. Maseho. Masay Yejiho. Masay Kintampo.
Because Division 2 clubs no no kasa
Masay Techima na say when chi bana zone no masay no. Look, my kasa bebre into there. Dr. Anthony Chow. Nyame adma me nda me ba office na. They won't be aka. And then na kasa no Football Republic on 1 week in this one.
1 week bang.
Oh, na say na me no mo ye. Na he juma na me ye. Na postponement e ba na ni na ne say. Afi na bi mo gusu twan o mo date o mo de be ko interview akọ visa. E de akọ Blasters match no.
America no.
Tell say me twan man ni na no boa. Because conditions na me ma he no. They say bet house. And US embassy. And then the third one is also the documents from Costa Rica. A man under 20 no koyen. And look at the damning.
Sir.
You know, my chairman no boa. But MPC be the society for him Montino. Yeah, the Bakwas answer so among. Said those ye na ye won. The Costa Rica the no and we west. A bon Sompa Sports. A man under 20 no koyen. Monyoman ya omeha. Enkanka airport. You know.
Enkanka
airport. Yeah, the private jet, chartered flight. Na Ghana the call. Yeah, but the commercial flight never. And some linear ha. Yeah, honor details no one to munya butchema. And then dear. Mean because of conditions na woman intino. My chief of staff say yenye Jumano direct. Mbe Football Republic abaso pa.
Adomaya den.
Nora Hoptel no.
Okay.
See the transformation in our Black Queens thus far. Yambo powerhouse biya.
That is improving.
But clearly, just be said before banana inside. Shania Nora Hoptel. Ketios a Krekuko farm Nora Hoptel by on any management committee. Kwanya or Mafaso a Black Queens. And Sisaya Bawa GFN Sabasobo.
The bomber basso.
Hey, Mister Akosha Rwanda for be 7 Ohama. I feel Rwanda for Nessa Madrian must say a man who come wa and your moons you in the way in place no more. That Evelyn Badu or do man and I mean there is Badu I mean in the name hide the beer Mr. Mariam Posa quite an anonymous again come across sugar baby.
Hey, Ruffy de Sia
BBNC Tina Sembanya but
Spanish football federation.
No, near Hermoso and away sugar baby. So I say, and was a one for she. Intino, Nora Hoptel, naked Krekuno, or my year Juma Papa. And I ever bucket Kreku about because on the confirm Nora Hoptel, by the appointment. You've seen transformation. Black Queens, the no master pow. More a born, didn't qualify. Pa minim South Korea didn't qualify because you're in Nigeria, you know, the same qualifying zone. Until Bobo Kuka Bremen Quine. So I say, and no name hame, Nemum, near me dime near whom a bedroom rebia, nor a hop till 9 in the Jumano, in few me numi and Sassono. So by Bia meti by Rahu Mema. No, Jidema passe, Mammy drew me pedir pa o dimagana football. Ebe conkai. Tiem Fabasu Bopa, Emma Ghana Football Association. So, yes, our appointment of Nora Hoptel. On any Ghana for Mudanechi. Coaches in the show munina beba baba come here mensa.
Okay.
Black Queens coaches no. Many of them fine pa say. Omudwumadi omudi a papa ayi nyina no. Ye ni tua ye hu bi. Tell say bomb abaso. So born na Black Queens ne born anwadi. Men kaso mo nkoji bibi mre me no. But Ghana must have a team that could compete. Okay, and maybe now in Nigeria, na Ghana ba.
Yeah.
And now you top 10 Africa crying can ho yasa.
Se bebe Morocco munenam.
Ya ta mo de ni omu ni asem. South Africa, Morocco, Nigeria, Cameroon, Zambia kra pa ye ho nana. Sort ase. Nti ni nya fe na ye be gina no Raptors so na ye dabi. Na mum. Se kwese da be da.
Fe me nda nyumre.
Ye ni tua de ma me ne na pamfo no mo ye no. One the technical team no. Omo ya de.
Okay.
Tini e bon abaso. Nene no, baby a obi a no kota won achi. Adwuma no madwa say awon no twa ne ti a. They can
yeah.
Look, omo twa won ne ti wo Rwanda wi. Ahoma no omo be pra ne ne. E de akogu baby. Guinea, Rwanda. Bibia di adanse say Black Queens no, there has been changes and a positive change. Football Republic. Mabasubo de.
Me da say atapoku na wote ne nka no. Jeff.
I think you see said has in penny for no tin maybe I see. Just here make I unfortunate say mess come but I have to say it. I had issues with Jacko. Time I woke up for Jacko by the late Ora Amabusumpim because I had exchange with him on the pricing. And then Nema boy thing, but at least very important say Jesse in Semino we are board management. So share the NCC. Who supporters no timi na bruni for affordability. Sika no timi just the end saying na mo pe sika say no timi tua. Just no onya ma ho aspenya around the club no. We are my supporters. So supporters no cry. Why mo no income level ye low majority of them. Omo ko park pa no omo sebi omo shede ni bi. Kotoko has for come no papa. So be atamuni way and you no one interest any passion or to most middle upper class people share and copaxa.
Dabi.
So I saw making sure say with the leadership of the NCC. Now Omar do baby Oman Kasane supporters na kasa Omo okay, you about 150 cedis anka and they bet me. Then it's communicated to you because you engage them. And see someone to me near was so cry. Mobile near at least kama musmo mboka mwenya fasoka kana supporters ndu na bet me ato sa na ye business and yes chinchina mako fa bantie ekwan bia so moto. You don't do that. You must engage all, and there's still lack of engagement between us and Pennyphone supporters no now ko fa be wana beto so what is not so beto no say ebia dodo na sikasem enko yomuntimi nto middle upper class omo to jesi omo kra Pennyphone cho some fajes no chomu free. O Ghana VIPs omo stadium for no nim. Ghana Pennyphone omo tia no stadium onim. Me no na tia. So ni ye mu die anka na so mo on for no manye. Now we are supporters so ajitu mu say omo anye die yes, but you love the club. Also with the club now you must go and buy it. Nia Omo Pennyphone some year na mo some to omo fa ni dia ma 1 and 2 years. It's true. And you are one leg of it. But just number. Near here na say o see we a supporter enya no. Go out there. Go pass up 220 Ghana cedis. Uno girlfriend cry call nice place go o say Brusa. So they should go and buy the jersey. Emirates will say supporters enja kasa the same ma. Na omo chire nienti a eso supporter enya no ne kasa. No. And who have a responsibility to the club, you owe it as a responsibility to the club. Moshe Tyneside, that Newcastle fans, Kuyu more Anfield, and Kuyu more changes. Who can say Agrana? No, a serious responsibility. This is a time for supporters of Hasbro almost show up and be counted. Sebiu, Usha project at look, 2 that coaches, Bago Tenga that okay head coach. A top players are mamo. Team no will take time. But Oshe against Ratman, Oshe Niomu ye kakra mo bottom say Emre with time, Obe has for playing delightful football. Ebe take it time. Eso munya butre. Emre when so show just in call stadium neche so has supporter. Neta team nechi.
Yes.
What do you say? Omunja kasa 220 Ghana series. Ghana heading there, but please, we are supporter. Man cancer Ghana heading. We are supporter. And we are DNA who supporters. And yeah, we are be able to support it. So they should go out there and make sure, say, Oma Piki, almost savvy no got jerseys in their numbers. For the fact that Ombru had asked issues with the number of supporters, some jerseys. Narrative be a casa be a enye twaso has supporters on pages it has was a pages or makanka. Now this NCC issue is not enough for NCC to say so. Well, because of ship mechanical or no one casa as NCC chairman, what is he doing to make sure this jersey is sold out? Why we issues with management or board at this point is relevant because they say another also know that's what is then ano a coin ben no be fast make sure say obema as many supporters as possible ebetia say your man said they say some to like on kan no. But now beyond that, one casa as your responsibility, you as a leader, and so making sure say you put in mechanism. Oko money management ko say ebia management me meji as NCC chairman. The woman say me supporters no say any mama dey kakra. Enti me dey ma be omo part payment. They know the supporters and how to get the money. Enti they be mama na e be otua half. This is the arrangement. Otua half. Ni aka no be abetua installment be 2 months. So the NCC leadership moment like this, that is where you expect leaders to stand up. It's not enough to complain. Everybody can complain. But responsibility is a crucial aspect of leadership. And the way you do that, make sure say only board and only talk about transaction arrangement. Say more for just say 5,000 mommy and 10,000 mommy. Then you come out with this strategy I'm talking about, and then go to the supporters. Or more committee, more chapters leaders, and they know the supporters maybe or more one income. Then make the arrangement and give to the supporters. I'm sure say so be to half now near canon church. They'll be able to do that. Oh yeah, so I think that this
so boss a situation say boss say be a mobile boss wa abasem crofobia twa biso agumo.
Oh, I know they are normal, but no what you do is as of intellectual properties for the club. Has of and some form a task force. Nia obey na say system there Ghana state korobaba match even baba anymore uncomfortable debia. But what you do na say so making sure say what for me a task force. 2 what some mamuti say mo pese bobodo mo pese ye just ya mo pese mo toma ye no mutimi ba ne amamo krata bia just ya mo tumi so muton over a certain period of time na mo muti say one man period so man timi anto na ma mehumu na mo matches around some muton kro mo task force we be kwa arrest you mo which you have every right to. So they say, and this is na more twice somewhere no. And na just is my problem. They say, also obi mfre. Obu oho on phone. Ghana one phone and those who don't think say one more Ghana nya about cities no. Obi on so a ebia time obe friend no. Ebia no be a grandfa. So support the ebia because omo matches is near closer shop bang as of Sukura. You go to Abilenkpe, Mamobi, Nema, Newtown. There should be satellite shops. So what I'm referring them guys, not who has a Jesse or shop, Ben or Auto. But most of the time, the problem is that over shop backwa, maybe a Namakumia Fie baby.
And Ben or more money cities in a crown, so almost support of
Send out. Sunyani has Kumasia chapter 9 is very powerful. Genge the supporters be involved in making sure someone identify places more. To make sure you get that done. So it's just that in Crawford this is not the first time as we are getting jerseys for them to sell. As I offered jersey by the year 1999 to 2000, how was able to sell jerseys? Has Bobo at that time, so the whole stadium were wearing jerseys. Oh, they are here. So esa omotimi tu sana monomunye omoma just ne closer to ade ba kwa mimi here scarful wa e kwa mi amfa so jiska no I'll do it. Oh yeah, opese me to jersey ma. Suggest na mbem ya difficult say this say bia me ko fa baby na me wo ska by bemia I'm always forced to buy it. They be me many boss wa match to so ato. But unfortunately a major problem that the two clubs suffer. So they should get it done for them to buy it. So we are supporter. They be out to on Anfield and now more Newcastle Tyneside. Toby Kasano dos do.
Matimida say Jeffrey Asaro the apostle na hotel kano. Mema atie for na ahwefo akwanya na so afren se bebre ni abo boss na do adwenche. Eso edi aba. Number ni 0551931931 0548931931. So betima afren na do adwenche abam fam first scholar. Hale. International Oyibo National.
abodi abi ni ho ya die
o nyame adom say no ahode na ba
Ricardo say onu so ni ho ye
but Jesse no what obi die
Mate Mami mama baso mapa mo di masumpa